So let's take a peek inside the members area of the Nature Notebook Club. So when you first log in, you'll be here at the home page, and this is where a majority of the content lives. And as you scroll down, you can see the replays of live workshops, as well as meetups and all of the content. So first, you should probably look at the member onboarding videos. That gets you started. And then the core videos. So there's a library of sketching and journaling and watercoloring techniques. So these are all pretty quick and easy for you to go through. And then there are the weekly tip videos, and those are on their own page because there's a whole bunch of those. And so each month there's several of these, 3 to 5, depending. And so these can help you just whenever you need some inspiration, something to look forward to, a quick tip about sketching or journaling or painting in the field. And so you can check these out all the way back to the beginning of our membership over a year ago. And then when you go back to the home page, you'll see our monthly master classes. So whenever I upload, have new live videos, I upload them soon afterwards in case you can't join us live. And so each month we have a monthly masterclass on a different seasonal topic. So May was songbirds because they are migrating in May. And then we had plants and pollinators, frogs, nests, fruits, fishes, fungi in the fall, trees, reptiles in the summer, insects and seashells in the summer as well. So each month there's a new one of those. And then at the end of each month, we have a meetup. And again, I'd love to have you join us live. That's the part I'd really love to have you join because it's super interactive. But if you can't join live, you can always watch the replays, and I have those here. And then once in a while, we have some seasonal events. And so the replays of those are down here. This Spark Your Creativity Nature Journaling Challenge was very popular. So if you haven't seen that yet, or if you join the club, you might want to watch that right away. And the Be Like Jane Goodall Challenge, I created in honor of Jane's memory since she passed away recently. So that's the home page. And then you can move on over to the announcements. And that's where I put new information about things that are coming up. For example, our June's masterclass is coming up. And so that's where you would register. Those are usually Zoom calls, or sometimes they're on my other platform. But anyway, you need to sign up for those ahead of time so that you'll get notified when we're going live. And then the member meetups, those are always on Zoom because that allows us to see each other's faces and all chat together at the same time. And then something special and unique about the membership is that you get to schedule a one-on-one coaching call with me. So whatever your issue is, whether you're struggling with creativity or inspiration or time or materials, or if you want to work on a certain skill like watercoloring in the field, you schedule that call for me. And if none of those times work in my Calendly calendar, just contact me and we'll figure out something else. And then some other things that are bonus good information we have is our Nature Journaling Starter Kit, and also the Quick Start Guide to Travel Journaling. So then we can come on over here to the next page, the community page. And I really enjoy that page because that's where we connect as a community. Members can post. And so recently we had Karen posting about tulips, seahorses. We had another member who saw a bear in her neighborhood. So we like to have people just posting, whether it's just a story about something happening in their neighborhood or in their local parks or backyards, or if it's a journal page or something like the Big Bear Bald Eagles, which is just about to fledge right now. or sketches from one of our live events, like my recent Garden Berries event, where I was eating and demonstrating how to draw these blueberries and raspberries. Okie dokie. And then in the member directory, you can see various members. And then contacting me, that's where you can get a hold of me. And so it's really easy to find me, and I'm always available. Okay, so that's the end of our quick tour of behind the scenes of the Nature Notebook Club members area. And so if you're not already a member, I hope you'll join us. And if you've got any questions, just contact me. There's probably a link below. Okay, take care. Bye-bye.